If you're struggling to manage your money, you might benefit from a financial advisor. Welcome back to another episode of Living Fire. If you never want to miss an upload, make sure to subscribe to the channel. What is a financial advisor? A financial advisor offers assistance with, or in some cases, complete management of your finances. The catch-all term, financial advisor, is used to describe a wide variety of people and services, including investment managers, financial consultants, and financial planners. A financial advisor can also be a digital investment management service called a robo-advisor. What financial advisors do? The services provided by financial advisors will vary based on the type of advisor, but generally speaking, a financial advisor will assess your current financial situation, including your assets, debts, and expenses, and identify areas for improvement. A good financial advisor will ask you about your goals and create a plan to help you reach them. That may mean calculating how much you should save for retirement, making sure you have an adequate emergency fund, offering tax planning suggestions, or helping you refinance or pay off debt. Financial advisors also help invest your money, either by recommending specific investments or providing complete investment management. In some cases, you can choose which services you want or need based on the type of advisor you select. For example, a traditional in-person advisor will likely offer personalized hands-on guidance for an ongoing fee. A robo-advisor is a low-cost automated portfolio management service, typically best for those who want help managing their investments. Then there are online financial planning services, which marry the lower costs of a robo-advisor with the holistic guidance of a human advisor. Here is an overview of each type of financial advisor and what they do. Number 1, robo-advisors. If you're looking to invest for retirement or another goal, a robo-advisor can be a great solution. They're almost always the lowest cost option, and their computer algorithms will set up and manage an investment portfolio for you. You're probably a good candidate for a robo-advisor if you need to save for retirement but aren't sure where to begin. You want to benefit from stock market returns but don't have a lot of time to learn how to invest. You have a lump sum you want to invest for one or more future financial goals. You don't have much money to invest yet. Robo-advisors typically have low or no account minimums. Here's what to expect from a robo-advisor. Your first interaction will most likely be a questionnaire from the company you've selected as your provider. The questions help identify your goals, investing preferences, and risk tolerance. Based on the information you provide, the robo-advisor's algorithm will recommend an investment portfolio that's typically built using low-cost exchange-traded funds and index funds. The service will then provide ongoing investment management, automatically rebalancing your investments as needed, and taking steps to reduce your investment tax bill. The low-cost, easy-entry nature of robo-advisors makes them a good choice for many consumers. Number 2, online financial planning services. Online financial planning services offer investment management combined with virtual financial planning. The cost is higher than you'll pay for a robo-advisor, but lower than you'd pay a traditional advisor. Consider an online financial planning service if you want to work with a human advisor, but you don't mind meeting that advisor by phone or video. You'll save money by meeting virtually, but still receive investment management and a holistic, personalized financial plan. You want to choose which financial advice you receive. Some services, like Facet Wealth, charge a flat fee based on the complexity of the advice you need, and investment management is included. Others, like Betterment, charge a fee for investment management and offer a la carte planning sessions with an advisor. For many people, this model is the right fit. It combines lower costs with a high level of service. So here's what to expect from an online planning service. Some services function like hybrid robo-advisors. Your investments are managed by computer algorithms, but you'll have access to a team of financial advisors who can answer your specific financial planning questions. At the other end of the spectrum are holistic services that pair each client with a dedicated CFP, a highly credentialed expert. Either way, you should receive investment management and personalized financial guidance to help you meet your goals. Number 3, traditional in-person financial advisors. In addition to robo-advisors and online planning services, the term financial advisor can refer to people with a variety of designations, including CFP, provides financial planning advice. To use the CFP designation from the Certified Financial Planner Board of Standards, an advisor must complete a lengthy education requirement, pass a stringent test, and demonstrate work experience. Broker or stockbroker. buys and sells financial products on behalf of clients in exchange for a fee, commission, or both. Must pass exams and register with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Registered investment advisor. Provides advice and makes recommendations in exchange for a fee. RIAs are registered with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission or a state regulator, depending on the size of their company. Some focus on investment portfolios, others take a more holistic financial planning approach. Wealth managers. Wealth management services typically concentrate on clients with a high net worth and provide holistic financial management. Human financial advisors generally cost more than robo-advisors and online services, and they may have minimum investment requirements of $250,000 or more. But you may decide to go for it if you're undergoing or planning a big life change, such as getting married or divorced, having a baby, buying a house, taking care of aging parents, or starting a business. Your investments have grown, or your financial life has gained complexity beyond what a robo-advisor or online advisor can handle. You want to meet with someone in person, and you're willing to pay more to do so. Here's what to expect from a traditional advisor. You'll likely meet the person at a local office. The advisor will provide holistic planning and assistance to help you achieve financial goals. You'll have in-depth conversations about your finances, short and long-term goals, existing investments, and tolerance for investing risk, among other topics. Your advisor will work with you to create a plan tailored to your needs, retirement planning, investment help, insurance coverage, etc. Hire an advisor you'll be comfortable working with, and of course, one who's qualified. Ideally, a CFP and a fiduciary, meaning she's required to put your interests first. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode. All about a financial advisor. What are they good for? Do you have a financial advisor? And if so, what do they help you accomplish? Then get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Living Fire for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.